two coolest Americans just made it. We're in British Columbia. And we'd tell you where we're at, but we don't wanna. Hey! This is a good Brady, look at the mountains.
Out in the West Texas town of El Paso, I fell in love with a Mexican girl. Nighttime would find me in Rose's Cantina. Music would play and Felina would.
We've made it.
We made it, boys.
We're with, can you see it? Oh yeah, there he is.
Can you see it? I can see it.
Nature fellas.
With
Brandon Clark. Going after him. The real hero of the operation. You gotta introduce yourself right quick.
Hi, I'm Chelsea. I'm the cook.
All right. And?
Hi, I'm Linda. I'm the cook's helper.
All right. The heroes of Nature fellas.
Want me up there again?
Oh my God. Yeah, up here, please.
He's huge.
Good fish, eh?
That's cool.
Man, that's a good fish.
I can't get a plate out of it.
You got a laker?
Freaking lake trout?
No way.
Laker on the fly.
No way.
Oh my God.
First time for me. Give me some.
That.
Dude, I want you to eat it. That is so cool.
Look at that.
That is
What the hell's he doing in here?
I don't know what that is.
Right forward. Right?
No, I don't think so. I think the mine's just playing tricks on me. Or fish. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got it.
That log's gonna screw you. That's a good fish.
Fly rod.
Got him, baby. Nice. Got him, baby.
Fish?
I need to get on the fly rod.
Yeah. the back of the boat.
Did you get one?
Sucker just turns and smashes it.
Cool. Cool. The only one?
Oh, nice.
Oh, we caught
Four. Yeah, four.
Caught some bulls?
one bull.
Two.
Two nice ones?
Ah, they were small, but
Right on. Cool.
awesome.
Cool.
Roger, where are we at from that fire where it's burned all?
What was that, sorry?
Where are we at from that fire where it just burned all that log jam?
Oh, a little ways, yeah.
Woo!
That was a good one. I wasn't paying attention.
I'm waking up in the morning.
Remember the smiles you have that make this all worthwhile,
Oh
buddy.
yeah.
To have anybody in one of these boats that didn't really enjoy it.
Oh, man.
You know, from 70-year-old women to
Yeah.
scared the out of them for a little bit, but then after a while, oh, that was just great. Oh, there the boys are.
Oh, they are. They are. There they are.
Now you'll see.
That's a big fish.
Good job. Go on, go direct.
Get it head first. Didn't like you very much.
That's a hammer.
Oh my gosh, that's a giant. Hardly hooked.
Now where's our scale?
Hardly hooked. Hardly hooked. Look at that.
Measure them, Brandon, or you're not worried about it?
Oh, yeah,
He's
for
all at
sure.
30 inches, yeah. If we got a tape.
Look at. Woo! Look. That's how much he was hooked.
He was hardly hooked.
Hey,
Let's go. Nice. Gotta break the goose egg, boys.
Yeah.
Break the goose egg.
outhouse. Back in the middle of nowhere. Cabin looks like it's a little bit run down. But oh shit, look at this. Basketball? Anybody?
like he's doing right now, how many times can he do that until he dumps the load?
One half of that truckload. So he'll
Really?
Yep,
So like
half.
And
So
there's-
there'll be about 20,000 pounds worth of wood in a bundle. Cause them trucks haul, 45,000, 50,000.
that is cool.
So yeah.
That's really cool. Like, and it'll take
Here
him,
comes another one now.
it takes him like a couple days to get to McKenzie.
Yeah, they weigh everything to the beat on the scale. That area. They're coming way back. Miles back up in that valley. Nature fellas, boys.
There we go, baby. Hooked up. Hooked up. Here, just fight him. Fight him. Like fight him. Don't jerk him in. Fight him. There you go. Keep pulling this way. Nice. Atta boy. Fish landed.
What do you got?
Bully. Bully.
Yeah, little bull trout.
Yep.
Ready? Right on, man. There you go. Maybe you can make the water work from over here.
Oh,
Oh yeah, he's a good one.
nice. Oh shoot, he's freaking peeling drag. There he is, at the frame right there. He got it.
Yeah! There you go, buddy. Oh, yeah.
That's a giant. That's a giant. That's a giant bull trout.
That's a little bull. You're psychotic.
Woo! That was chilly!
Yeah, boy.
Son. Oh. He's got him.
God, I hope you didn't catch that. He just about doing a nose dive there.
Oh yeah, I did. It was awesome.
You are.
What are we doing? What are we going with? Oh yeah, baby.
Wait, who?
Load that thing up.
Look it up.
Wait, who? Oh, number 2 is good.
Who made who?
All right. I haven't seen a CD live.
I see these guys live. Yeah, I'm at 60. There, I would say that. You're probably at about 40 there, buddy. Do you see him, Rod? Once in a while. Oh, yeah. Nice fish. Oh, yeah, that's a fish.
Only about 15 pounds.
Oh, my God. There you go. Oh, my God.
That is absolute. So hold this net here, buddy. Let's find some pliers. I don't know.
They are. Yeah, there should be some in here. You want me to get this in for you? Got it.
Yeah.
All right, Roger, the trip's over. Do you have any wise words of wisdom for us?
Wise words of wisdom. Well, can't really say. It takes a big dog to weigh a ton. It's been a great pleasure showing you guys a good time, I think, I hope. Glad to have you back anytime. Caught me off guard.
How about the boss?
That was fun. Thank you, boys.
You bet.
That was fun. That was a good trip, boys.